Hi guys, this is a template that's already in Design Space that I have imported onto my screen. If you look over to the right, you can see that there are 5 different elements to this design, and they are grouped based on color. The first thing I'm going to do is ungroup the design. So I'm going to move over the black, and then if you look here, the red is attached together and the blue, and all of those are attached together. I'm just going to group this for now. I'm going to move it out of the way. So now I have this image. I'm going to first contour it because I would like to get rid of my game. You have a couple ways of doing this. You can click on the buttons here, or you can select in here. As of right now, these two are still darkened. So if I go to my image, they're still there. I'm going to click on contour again so that I can get rid of them. Now when I get out of here, those are gone. I'm just going to duplicate this because I will do a couple things to this. The first thing I want to do is I would like to separate the cord from the game. So I generally just use a square to do a lot of these things. I'm sure there's another way to do this, but this is how I usually get this completed. So I'm just going to use this square here. And I would like it to, I'll separate it over here. So it's probably going to be a couple different times when I do this, but just doing this and I'm doing splice. So all I want is just the cord. So I'm just going to do this again until I get exactly what I want. I'm going to splice it again. Now you see it's starting to look the way I envisioned it. So I just would like the cord. So now I'm going to do my final splice. Here I have just the cord. So now I actually just want the controller. So I'm going to do this again. You can unlock here, to resize. I'm using splice again. I'm just deleting out everything. Now I just have a couple pieces left. Actually, I think at this point I could probably contour off the side piece. But then I still have a little piece of the controller that I would like to get rid of. So I am going to let these two pieces overlap a bit in the design. So I'm going to change this to red. And now I'm going to duplicate this again. So one of them is just going to be a solid. So I just clicked hide contour. So if I click show contour, you can see everything and I'll hide contour. And now this is just the solid red piece. Now this one, I'm going to click again. And I just want the video game pieces here. So I only clicked on the outside of the controller, and now I have these pieces. So these pieces I'm going to do as white, and I can put them right on top now. So I'm going to group this for now, so it doesn't change the color, doesn't do anything. It's just so that I can keep the sizing and everything. So now, I go over to this section. So I ungroup, we have, like we had before, we have just the red and we have this. So So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to use contour to get rid of the P, and then I need to get rid of the E. So now I just have 2B, which I'm going to change into black. So now we need to get rid of 2B here. You can utilize contour again, or you can do splice to get rid of the other pieces. I just use splice just because it's quicker. And now I'm looking at it, I could have spliced it from before, but it's fine. So now I'm just putting this here. I can align it by the bottom. And I'm going to patch these together, and it automatically changed the color. So I can change this to whatever color I want. I'll change it to red, which is fine. So let's put this back in here. Here. So then I need to type back in my game. And you can definitely select whatever font you want to select for this. I'm just going to choose, just because this is a tutorial, I'm just going to choose any font that I would like. And then I'm going to bring the letters in together a little bit. Change it to whatever color I would like. So I'm just going to use silver. And now I have the completed image. What I can do now is, so if I go to make it, it's going to show me how my images will cut. So all of the white pieces are together. My game is cutting out together. 2B here is right here, and this is being cut. So I can either change this here. This is for a t-shirt, so I would do mirror. And I can change it here, or I can change it on the actual design. And then there's eyepause. So this is exactly how everything's going to cut out. Cancel. So if I would like to have 2B here cut in the right position, so remember I grouped this, I can ungroup it. Then I can attach these together so that they can cut out together. I can also do it with the red pieces, figure out where it's going to be. And then I can attach. So if we put them back here, then let me So if I click on make it, so of course remember we're doing a t-shirt, so you would do the mirror. So when I go here, 2B here is already attached to the board. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I'll definitely work on putting out another tutorial. Thank you for watching.